how the future of technology and the power of AI can be at your fingertips all for free? Yes, you heard it right. It's not a fantasy, but a reality that's transforming the world as we know it. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is no longer a concept confined to sci-fi movies or elite tech labs. It's out there, it's accessible, and it's incredibly powerful. AI is making waves across industries, from healthcare to finance, from entertainment to education, and everything in between. It's not just about fancy robots or complex algorithms. AI is about making our lives easier, our work more efficient, and our world more connected. And the best part? Many of these AI tools are available for free. Yes, free! But here's where it gets interesting. Not only can you use these free AI tools to enhance your personal or professional life, but you can also monetize them. You might be thinking, monetize? How? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. The world of AI is full of opportunities, and if you know where to look, you can turn these opportunities into a lucrative venture. Whether you're a tech enthusiast wanting to make the most of these tools, or a business owner looking for innovative ways to increase revenue, understanding AI and its monetization possibilities can give you a competitive edge. So, are you ready to step into this exciting world of AI and discover how to make the most of these free tools? Are you ready to see how AI can not only change your life, but also boost your income? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Let's dive deeper and understand what exactly are these free AI tools. When we talk about free AI tools, we're referring to platforms or software that leverage AI technology and are freely accessible. These aren't just budget-friendly alternatives to expensive software. They are powerful tools that can help you understand the fundamentals of AI, develop your skills in the field, and even kickstart your own AI-driven business. So, what are some examples of free AI tools? Let's start with Google's AI platform. This is a comprehensive tool that allows you to build, deploy, and scale applications that leverage Google's powerful machine learning technology. It's a great place to start if you're new to AI, as it offers a wide range of features and resources to help you get started. Next up, we have IBM Watson. This is another robust AI platform that provides various tools for building AI-powered applications. Watson is particularly known for its natural language processing capabilities, which make it a great choice for projects involving chatbots or voice assistants. Last but not least, we have Microsoft Azure. This is a cloud-based platform that offers a suite of AI services, including machine learning, knowledge mining, and cognitive services. Azure is a great tool for those who want to delve into more complex AI projects, as it offers advanced features and resources. All these tools function by leveraging machine learning algorithms to analyze data, make predictions, and automate tasks. They offer a wide range of applications, from predictive analytics and data visualization to natural language processing and image recognition. The best part? They're all free to use, which means you can start exploring and experimenting with AI without breaking the bank. Now that we've understood what free AI tools are, let's explore how you can monetize them. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for a side hustle or an entrepreneur looking for the next big business idea, there are plenty of opportunities to make money with AI. So stay tuned as we dive into the exciting world of AI monetization in the next section. One of the most effective ways you can monetize free AI tools is by offering AI consulting services. With the surge in AI adoption, businesses across sectors are keen on harnessing the power of this technology. However, not all of them have the necessary expertise in-house. This is where your knowledge of AI tools can be invaluable. Imagine a healthcare firm wanting to leverage AI for predictive diagnosis, but unsure of how to go about it. Or a retail chain seeking to optimize its supply chain with AI, but lacking the know-how. With your understanding of AI tools, you can step in as a consultant, guide these businesses in implementing AI solutions, and charge a fee for your expertise. You might be wondering, what exactly does an AI consultant do? Well, an AI consultant helps businesses identify potential areas where AI can bring in efficiency and growth. They assist in selecting the right AI tools that align with the business's goals, and they guide the implementation process, ensuring the solutions are integrated smoothly into existing systems. Moreover, AI consultants play a crucial role in training the business's staff to use these tools effectively. They also provide ongoing support, helping businesses troubleshoot any issues and adapt to changes as AI technology evolves. The beauty of offering AI consulting services is that it's not industry-specific. Whether it's finance, healthcare, retail, or manufacturing, every sector today can benefit from AI. And each sector presents a unique set of challenges and opportunities, making your role as an AI consultant diverse and exciting. However, it's essential to note that becoming an AI consultant requires a deep understanding of AI tools and their applications. You'll need to constantly update your knowledge given the rapid advancements in AI technology. But with the right dedication and a passion for AI, you can make a significant impact in this field. But that's not the only way to monetize AI tools. Let's look at another method. Creating AI-powered products is another brilliant way to monetize free AI tools. Now, you might be wondering what exactly an AI-powered product is. Simply put, it is a product or a service that utilizes artificial intelligence to enhance its functionality or solve a problem more efficiently. Consider the vast world of chatbots. These are AI-powered programs designed to interact with humans in their natural languages. These interactions can occur on websites, applications, and even through messaging platforms. Chatbots can be used in a variety of sectors, ranging from customer service to entertainment, and are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to engage customers in real time and provide instant support. Now, let's connect the dots. How can you monetize a chatbot? Well, you can create a chatbot service for businesses using a free AI tool. Initially, you can offer this service for free, allowing businesses to experience the value it brings in terms of improved customer engagement and efficiency. Once they've seen the benefits, you can introduce premium features, such as advanced customization or integration with other platforms, for a fee. But the possibilities don't stop at chatbots. The AI landscape is vast and growing, offering numerous opportunities to create innovative AI-powered products. Think of voice recognition tools, recommendation systems for e-commerce, or even AI-based health monitoring apps. The key is to identify a problem that can be solved more efficiently with AI, and then use a free AI tool to create a solution. This approach not only allows you to monetize the AI tool, but also provides an opportunity to contribute to the ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence. It's a win-win situation where businesses get to benefit from AI technology, and you get to make a profit while also honing your skills and contributing to technological advancement. There's still more to it. Let's explore the final method of monetizing AI tools. The last but not least method to monetize free AI tools is by creating online courses or eBooks. The thirst for knowledge in this field is insatiable. As AI continues to evolve and permeate various industries, more and more people are eager to understand and harness its capabilities. This growing interest provides the perfect outlet for educational content. Whether it's a comprehensive ebook guide on how to use Google's AI platform, or an online course on developing AI-powered products with IBM Watson, the options are as diverse as they are plentiful. By sharing your expertise and insights, you can help others navigate the AI landscape while also generating revenue. It's a win-win situation. And the best part? As AI continues to develop, so too will your content. With these methods, you can unlock the potential of free AI tools and turn them into a source of income. So there you have it, 3 ways to monetize free AI tools. We've navigated through the fascinating realm of AI and its potential for profit. From offering AI consulting services, leveraging AI for product creation, to educating others through online courses or ebooks, the possibilities are vast and ripe with potential. Recall, the key is to understand and master these free AI tools and then use your knowledge to provide value to businesses or individuals. Whether it's by helping them implement AI solutions, creating AI-powered products or services, or educating them on the ins and outs of using these tools, your expertise can translate into a lucrative venture. The world of AI is evolving at a breakneck pace, and there's never been a better time to dive in and explore its monetization potential. So, go ahead, immerse yourself in AI and see where it takes you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of AI.